Hello, everybody. Today I am going to share my views about the Craft Tree DIY accordion handbag kit. She sent these to me quite a while ago, but I haven't been getting time because of my schedule. So, a week ago, I decided to try out this and I created one. The outcome is really beautiful, which I'll show you later. You will find the beautiful handbag photos along with the necessary details on the front. This kit has two sets inside, one of black and other of craft cardstock. And the price is only rupees 299. On the back, all the dimension of all the pieces are given. It is super easy to make. You don't need to be pro with the scrapbooking. Even a beginner can create this. So let's have a look what all it has inside. Wow, there are simple, easy to understand instructions given here. I already told even a beginners can make this. I'm very much impressed with the way the instructions are given. So easy to understand, simple language. So I will show you the process of making it with craft cardstock. There is one piece given for the cover, and I must tell you the quality of the cardstock is very good. It is very thick. And there are two pieces given to make the accordion folds, 6 pages to form the pockets, and 6 inserts are given. And for each 6 insert there are 6 pullouts and one is handle. So let me show you what I have created other day with the black one. I have decorated this with the frame and some flowers, and at the back there is a pocket. You can keep any message, some sort of element. So this is how it opens, and inside there are inserts which I covered with the pattern paper. So let's start the process of making it. We will first work with this one. Scoring is already done for you. You just need to fold and press it properly from the scored lines. Now add the magnets and cover it with the pattern papers. So these are the inserts. For the other handbag, I have pasted pattern papers on the inserts. But for this one, I'm going to keep it as it is. I'll just add the photo slots to keep the photographs. I am also adding the ribbon for the better hold. It is up to you whether you want the ribbon or you just want the magnets. Next is again optional. If you wish, you can paste stripes on the sides like I did in this, and if you want, you can leave it as it is. Both the bags I have made are slightly different from each other. One insert with pattern paper and one without. And decorations, again, it is up to you. You can use the bow also, or the way I did. Hope you like the bags I have created, and I really wish to see how you create with crafty DIY kits. Thank you and happy crafting.